keep talking. That's good. That's really good. Are you done? You're in a daydream, aren't you? You're stuck in a little baby daydream. Oh. Now you're out. Okay. I guess that was it for now.
He said, "Cha, karate chop."
What's that you got there? Look.
You get the cap on?
Okay. Oh, you just punched it. I'm making a video for Grandma. He's more interested in Daddy right now.
Well, I am very interesting.
Okay, now I want to show the other thing. Hold on. Jess, how about this? You like that, don't you? Can you reach for it? Can I put it in your hand? No, huh? He likes this one.